Many TikTok creators are confused about why they can only withdraw $100 a day, even when they have earned much more. In this video, I'll explain exactly how TikTok withdrawal limit works, how to increase your daily limit, and what TikTok really works, and what TikTok really looks at behind the scene. Let's break it down step by step. TikTok does not allow everyone to withdraw unlimited money every day. Instead, TikTok uses something called a day withdrawal limit. This is the maximum amount you are allowed to withdraw per day. The limit is not permanent. It changes every month based on your performance. In the image you are seeing, the current daily withdrawal limit is $100. TikTok works on a monthly evaluation system. Current month, January 2026, a daily withdrawal limit is $100. Next month, February 2026, still marked as in progress. This means TikTok is monitoring your activity this month to decide how much you'll be allowed to withdraw next month. This is the most important part. TikTok clearly say the more gift reward you receive this month, the higher your withdrawal limit next month. So TikTok looks at total gift reward and consistency, live engagement, policy compliance. Watching tutorial on Live Academy also helps creators optimize earnings. Look at the progress bar in the image. You'll see reward milestone like a $0, $50, $100, $200, $400, and so on. As your gift reward increase, your next month withdrawal limit increases. Right now, it says gift reward so far are equal to last month. That is why the limit has not increased yet. This table shows how powerful gift rewards are. Here is how it works. If you earn higher gift reward this month, TikTok automatically raises your daily withdrawal limit next month. For example, earn higher gift, yield higher daily withdrawal. Any low gift yield limit stay low. This system encourages creators to go live consistently and engage audiences. TikTok also gives this warning. Your actual withdrawal limit may depend on the payment method you choose. PayPal, bank transfer, other supported options. So even if TikTok approves a high limit, your payment provider might still have restrictions. How to increase your TikTok withdrawal limit. Tips. Here is how you can increase your limit faster. First, go live consistently. Encourage gift sending without forcing. Build strong audience interaction. Follow TikTok monetization rules. Learn from Live Academy. Avoid violations or fake engagement. So TikTok withdraw random. It is performance-based system. Any more gifty this month, get higher withdrawal limit next month. Stay consistent and compliant. If this video helped you understand TikTok withdrawal, like, subscribe, and comment your question below. I'll be posting more videos explaining TikTok monetization, live gifty, and creator income, so don't miss out. See you again. Bye.